Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Mela and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make Dalgona coffee and slushy. First, we'll be making Dalgona coffee. Add the amount of coffee and sugar that you want. Then add some hot water and whisk it. Do not add too much water if you want it to be really thick and creamy. But it's really gonna take a long time and your whisk coffee should look like this. Next, add some ice cubes into your cup. Add some milk and add your whisk coffee on top of it. And your Dalgona coffee is ready. Don't forget to stir it before drinking it. Next, we'll be making slushy. Add some ice cubes into your blender. Add some milk. Add some sugar and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor and blend it together. After blending it, pour it into a cup and your slushy is ready. Don't forget your straw. So I hope you guys like this video and see you guys on the next one. Bye.